Welcome to your French class. In this class, we are going to do few sentences of les pronoms personnels. Okay. So, the first question is remplacer les noms soulignés avec les pronoms sujets. And here we have been given all the subjects. Okay. Personal subjects. Il, elle, nous, vous, il plural and elle plural. Il plural and elle plural is also read like il, elle. Okay. So, let's start with the first statement. Pauline et sa sœur vont au cinéma. Okay. So, that means Pauline and her sister are going to the cinema. Now, here they have underlined the subjects of the statement Pauline et sa sœur. Now, Pauline is a girl and sa sœur means her sister. She is also a girl. So, for two girls, we need elle plural case. Okay. So, let's start. Now, it will be read like elles vont au cinéma means they are going to the cinema. Earlier, it was like Pauline and her sister are going to the cinema. Now, we have replaced Pauline and her sister and we have used they. They are going to the cinema. Now, let's take the second statement. Mohan et sa mère partiront demain. It means Mohan and her mother will leave tomorrow. So, now Mohan is masculine singular, sa mère feminine singular. So, when we have this kind of combination masculine and feminine together, then we always take the masculine plural case. Okay. So, let's start. Ils partiront demain means they will leave tomorrow. Now, the next one is la fillette attend son père. The girl is waiting for her father. Now, we are replacing la fillette, that is feminine. So, feminine singular is elle. Okay. Elle attend son père. She is waiting for her father. Next one is mon frère et moi regardons la télé means my brother and I are watching TV. Now, they are two and I have included myself, so it will take the case of nous. Okay. Nous regardons la télé, that means we are watching TV. Quand est-ce que votre famille et vous partez? That means when you and your family are leaving. Okay. So, here we need to replace votre famille et vous. So, we will take vous because vous represents plural second person. Okay. Tu is also is used for second person, but it represents the singular case and vous is used for the plural cases. So, let's start. Quand est-ce que vous partez means when are you leaving. Now, the next one is la famille Singh aime la cuisine chinoise. Now, here la famille Singh, we need to replace this and because it is feminine, la famille will use the feminine case. La famille Singh aime la cuisine chinoise, that means the Singh family loves Chinese food. Now, we are using elle means it likes. It we have used here for the family, okay, and it is feminine, so we have used elle. Elle aime la cuisine chinoise, it likes Chinese food. Now, the next one is les petites dansent bien. Les petites refers to the little girls, okay, the little girls are dancing well. Now, les petites is to be replaced and here it is given in feminine because this word is used for feminine plural for the girls. So, we will replace it with feminine plural case. Elles dansent bien means they are dancing well. The next one is la directrice était en colère. Means the manager was angry. Now, la directrice, it is feminine case. We'll use elle. Elle était en colère. She was angry. Now, the next one is les clients ont fait la queue. Ils ont fait la queue. That means the clients made the queue, or now it is like they made the queue. Now the last one is la vendeuse a souri doucement. Now la vendeuse is feminine, so we'll change it with elle. La vendeuse a souri doucement. The saleswoman smiled sweetly. Now, elle a souri doucement. She smiled sweetly. So, these were few sentences of les pronoms personnels, and I'll be back with some sentences of le pronom complément objet direct, means COD. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.